Now, how mathematically you will verify the independent events? Probability of A given A intersection B, if it yields probability of A into probability of B, such events will become what? Independent events. Here, the problem solving of two students are independent because one doesn't depend upon the other person. Now, see here, let us indicate the students as A and B. Probability of A is equal to 1 by 3. Probability of B is equal to 1 by 4. What you want to happen? You want problem to be solved. Whether solved by only A or solved by only B or solved by both. So, you need at least one of them solving the problem. This is nothing but probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, so that will give me probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A into probability of B. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. So this is nothing but 12 is LCM, 4 plus 3 minus 1. So 6 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 2. This is the chance of problem being solved. Now, the same problem can be attempted differently. How differently? You want problem to be solved, no? So, you write neither solving the problem. Neither solving the problem. 1 minus probability of neither solving the problem. This is another method. Another method. 1 minus probability of A bar intersection B bar. You know that A and B are independent. So, A bar and B bar are also independent. So, 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1 minus 3 by 4 will give you 1 minus half. This is half. This is easier and safer method also. This is one method and this is one method. Either method we will get an answer as half. This is asked as a short answer question. June 2010. Rather, June 2010 it was asked. A speaks truth in 75% of cases. B speaks truth in 80% of cases. Find the probability. Find the probability that they contradict each other when stating a fact. This is the question. See here, A speaks truth in how many cases? 75%. So 75 by 100. That amounts to 3 by 4. B speaks in 80 cases, 80% of the cases. So 80 by 100, that is 2 by 5. 4 by 5 rather. Yes, 4 by 5. This is the probability of A, this is the probability of B. Now what do you want? You want they should contradict each other. What is the when they will contradict each other? When a thing happened, A should say it is true. At the same time, B should say false. And when A says false, A lies, B should speak truth. A and B together should not lie or speak truth at same time. That means this is one way of happening. A speaks truth, B does not, or A false, A lies and B speak truth. This is our required probability. So these are independent events. That's why probability of A into probability of B bar, probability of A bar into probability of B. Now what is the probability of A? 3 by 4 into probability of B bar is 1 by 5. Probability of B is 4 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5. Probability of A bar, probability of A is 3 by 4. Probability of A bar will be 1 by 4 into probability of B 4 by 5. So this is nothing but 3 plus 4 by 20, which is equal to 7 by 20. One more question. This was also asked for 4 marks in IPE. What is the question here? ABC shoot a balloon. They are shooting same balloon. Yes. A succeeds 4 times out of 5 attempts. 5 attempts. B succeeds 3 times of 4 attempts. C succeeds 2 out of 3 attempts. Now, what is the probability? What is the probability that at least 2 will succeed if all try? This is the question. At least 2 should successful. At least 2 successful means all 3 successful. Case 1 is what? All 3 successful. A should be successful, B should be successful, C should be successful. All 3 being successful. Okay, this is the first case. And what is the second case? A successful, B successful, but not C. And next case, A is not successful, but B is successful and C is successful. And the third and final case, what is the third final case? A is successful, B is not, and C is successful. So this is the cases. 4 cases are coming. What is that? All 3 are successful, means at least 2. At least 2 means 3 is okay, exactly 2 is okay, exactly 2 is okay, exactly 2 is okay, but less than 2 is not okay. And if you observe, these are independent events. A hitting a balloon does not depend upon B hitting a balloon or C hitting a balloon. So probability of A into probability of B into probability of C plus probability of A into probability of B into probability of C bar plus probability of A bar into probability of B into probability of C plus probability of A into probability of B bar into probability of C. So each one is, this is 4 by 9 and 4 by 9. The second one is 3 by 7 and the third one is 2 by 5 and the next one is 4 by 9 and 3 by 7 into 1 by 5. The last one is 5 by 9 into 3 by 7 into 2 by 5. C 2 by 5 complement. 2 by 5 complement is how much? 3 by 5. And third one is 5 by 9. 5 by 9. 5 by 9 probability of A, B, C. A is success only. So we should write 4 by 9. So A failed 5 by 9. B successful 3 by 7. C successful 2 by 5. Then A successful is 4 by 9. B failure is 4 by 7 and C successful is 2 by 5. If you simplify this expression, you are going to get the answer. That will be the conclusion of the probability. That will be the conclusion of the probability part. We have done all the models here pertaining to the probability. In the next session, we will take up what we call the random variable and its properties.
డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో ప్రాబబిలిటీ టాపిక్స్కి సంబంధించి బేల్స్ థియరం మరియు టోటల్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ థియరం తెలుసుకున్నారు కదా. మరి రేపటి ఎపిసోడ్లో ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ మరియు టెక్నికల్ డిస్క్రీట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. మరి ఈ కార్యక్రమంపై మీ అభిప్రాయాలను, సందేహాలను, సలహాలను మాకు eclasses@KABTV.net కు పంపగలరు. అంతవరకు కీప్ వాచింగ్ KAB TV.